Hello guys, I am Shamin Shohak. Today I am going to teach you how to write C programs. I'm not going to teach you how to install VS Code or how to install or set up code blocks into your machine. You can follow other tutorials in order to do that. I'm just going to teach you the basic structure of C program. So let's get started with our topic. So the basic structure is, first write int, it's a data type, it's called integer, and then main, it's the name of our function, then parenthesis opening and closing, and then curly brace opening and closing, then write return 0 at the end of the main function. It is the basic structure of C program. Almost all of your program you will write ever in C, you must include this line of codes in all of your programs. And let's say we want to print hello world. We want to output a message into the console. In order to work with input and output, you must include a header file. How you can do that? Just write hash include CLUDE. We are just including a header file, so hash include and then the header file stdio.h. You must include this line in order to print something to the console. And then let's print hello world. How you can do that? Just write printf, it's a function to print something, and then opening and closing parenthesis, and then inside the opening and closing parenthesis just write double quotation, and inside double quotation just write what you want. Let's say hello world, and that's it. That's how you can write hello world into the console. Let's just do a little things. Let's say /n will put a line break into our console, and it's needed. So let's check our code if it's working or not. So let's try to run it, and yes, it's running fine. It says hello world. So I think you learned something from my video, and please suggest me what I should create next into the comment box. All of your comments is very appreciable for me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.